What if, like, if I get into questioning, this is kind of a follow-up, and they're like, why are you asking questions about my business? Like, kind of like, it's my business. Why you want to know, like, inside information? I've gotten that, like,
Yeah,
almost interior. Yeah.
one of the things I want you to do with those questions, I still want you to ask them, but I want you to put this softener in front of it, just
Yeah.
out of curiosity, right? And then it
Soften
just
it.
becomes
Yeah.
just out of curiosity. Where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be, right?
Yeah.
And if they're super standoffish, like why do you want to know? Here's the thing, we kind of solve monster problems here at XYZ. I was trying to get a handle on where you're at right now. Where do you want to be? Because if this is not something where we can come in and move the needle for you a ton, I'll be the first one to raise my hand and let you know, because the way that we're structured as an organization, like if we're bringing on clients that are not a fit and that we cannot deliver a ton of lift for, we have a limited amount of resources and everything there. So that's why I was asking, is I was just trying to get it baseline on the situation, because if I can't help, I'll be the first one to raise my hand and let you know and save you a bunch of time. And if it is a situation where, there might be an alternative out there, I embarrassingly enough live and breathe this industry, and if I understand your situation, I can't help you, I can probably point you in the direction of somebody that can. Fair enough? Now all of a sudden that person's going to be honest with you. And if they're not going to be honest with you after that, might be somebody that we're just going to put in the sustainable pipeline.
Got it. Thank you.
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.